Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my Moroccan garden. Recently I did a video and our first decorations for our Moroccan garden, and I will leave a link above for this video where we installed the fountain and I showed you how it lighted during the night hours, and these vases as well. Decorations should be done on our Moroccan garden, especially on this side. And I already shared with you our vision for this side. We are negotiating now a whole set of sofa and table and cushions in Moroccan style with one vendor from the internet. And we are going to see what this company can do for us. But trust me, the choice of the fabric is fabulous. But this is for the later segments. Today I will concentrate on this portion of the fence, the outside side. Since on this side we will have a sofa with a canopy. On the other side, we decided to plant grape vines, so they grow and develop and hang over this canopy, creating the shade and also have a space to produce grapes. I wanted grapes in 3 colors: red, green, and black. And 2 of the grape vines already have arrived. They're very small, but they claim these grape vines grow very fast. So let me show you what grape vines I do have. These are 2 small grape vines that I have. Unfortunately, the 3rd vine that is much bigger and already able to produce fruit will be arriving only in the spring. So right now I will plant only these 2 small vines. Neptune seedless grape is a green-white variety with big juicy grapes. They claim that it's very disease resistant and self-pollinating, produces grapes in early September. Tom Cord seedless grapevine produces black or bluish, very juicy, very fragrant, tasty grapes. I will plant one on the most left side and the second one on the most right side. Let me dig the holes and plant my grape vines. In terms of the soil, I prepared a mixture of garden soil, sand and peat moss. I will water my grapes. So my 2 grape vines are planted, and I know they recommend to sustain a distance 5-6 feet between the vines, but I will not have that space for 3 vines here. Probably I will have 4 feet, but I hope we will manage those vines. And I put a little protection around each small vine from all kinds of animals and even squirrels who like to dig and sometimes can dig out small plants. Let me show you the variety of grapevine that we are planning to plant right here. The grapevine that we are planning to plant in the middle is called the inset seedless grape vine, and it's of red color. Join me in the future where we will continue decorating and beautifying our Moroccan garden.